Text 2, Tornado Alley. Imagine it's springtime and you're playing baseball with your friends after school. Suddenly the wind begins to blow. You feel raindrops, the skies darken, and you hear thunder in the distance. "We better get inside," you call to your friends. "It looks like a storm is coming." If you live in some parts of Kansas, Nebraska, Oklahoma, or Texas, you would probably run inside and turn on the radio or the television to check for a tornado watch or a tornado warning. You would do this because between the months of March and June, these 4 states experience the most severe tornadoes in the entire country. There are so many tornadoes here that this area is often called Tornado Alley. A funnel cloud. Tornado Alley is unusual in the world because the Rocky Mountains in the west and the Appalachian Mountains in the east stop the air from moving out across the country. Instead, the trapped air creates a passageway or alley for tornadoes to travel and possibly grow bigger and more severe. Water from this rainstorm, dust, and other debris is picked up by the tornado. This is what makes the tornado visible to people. A map of the United States that shows Tornado Alley. As a result, people who live in Tornado Alley need to be prepared for tornadoes. There are several ways people prepare for tornadoes. First, buildings are reinforced to make sure the roofs are strong and secure. Second, storm cellars are built so that people have safe places to stay during storms. Last, people who live in this region need to know what to do during a storm and need to get information from the news media about possible tornadoes. If you live in Tornado Alley, you need to be informed and prepared in order to stay safe.